Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Ask me how many times I did that intro. I'm not sure what's going on. All I know is I have to clean off my doors, my mirrors, and my refrigerator. This is the week where I have to turn in my daughter's cheer stuff because competition is right around the corner. So I'm trying to get all of that stuff together. So maybe I'll take you to the store when I go tomorrow to pick up all the samples that she needs. I got her garment bag today because there's a lot of stuff behind me. Her whole cheer uniform has to be hand washed. You can't put it in the washer or anything like that. So that's drying. And yeah, I'll show you what my bathroom's looking like. I'll show you what the refrigerator's looking like. I'll clean off the doors and the mirrors. I don't know what else is gonna go in this video. I've already said that. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Kim, KYM. I do videos pertaining to home life. The emergency squad is driving by, so it's a little loud. But anyway, I do videos pertaining to home life. So that's cooking, cleaning, doing DIYs, painting, projects, repairs, all that great stuff. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. I want to show you love. I want to pour into your spirit. And I just hope you enjoy all the music and all my crazy shenanigans because it's always a roller coaster ride, believe that. So my mirror looks good. It looks fine. My husband's mirror, on the other hand, is very dirty. So let's get a close-up. You can see the spots. You can see there's a little bit of mirror dirt over here. So we're gonna get that taken care of. And then I'm gonna clean out the inside of the sinks. This mirror gets used a lot, so it's dirty. This countertop is a hot mess. At least everything on the countertop is clean though. And this is what my bathtub area is looking like. All of her cheer stuff is over here. So we're gonna leave all of that stuff there. It needs to continue to hang, and I'm just gonna do a really quick speed clean. Now you know I gotta turn some music on. As a matter of fact, I'm probably just gonna turn on another YouTuber. So as much as I may not comment on your videos, I definitely watch them, but sometimes I just watch them on TV and all that great stuff. But I appreciate all of you supporting me, and I'm definitely gonna support you. I'm cleaning this entire bathroom with Kim's Magic Concoction, and that consists of white distilled vinegar, Dawn, the original Dawn Blue dish soap. That is a tongue twister. If you have been here for a while, you know I always get tongue twisted, okay? Just ignore me. And also I have isopropyl alcohol in there as well as water. Oh, snap, that broke.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm more confused about you. You're my one temptation, yeah. I don't know why I pretend to.
I actually changed my mind about this mirror. Since all that stuff is there, I'm just gonna leave it alone for now and clean it off another day, but I will be cleaning the other mirrors in the sink, and then I will be moving right along to downstairs to get the refrigerator together. I just wanted to explain that to you. Have a nice day. Let me know below in the comments how you're doing and what you're watching or reading. I found a new book to read that I don't remember the name of because I haven't started it yet. So I'll let you know next time I do a video. But let me tell you, I've been watching this show called Snowpiercer, and it's on Prime. Y'all, I'm on the last season. I'm a binger. So like, I like shows that have several seasons. At any rate, I am probably 4 more episodes to go until I'm finished. So this morning before I got ready for work, I was watching it, and then I started to get a little bit sad. Like, man, what am I gonna watch next? So please, if you have anything that you're watching, let me know so that I can put it on my list. Speaking of that list, we ain't gonna talk about how long that list is because it's very, very long.
Telling myself that it's okay, cause every pleasure's got an inch of pain. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game, but I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop cause I'm not okay.
And just like that, the bathroom's clean, the door is clean. I had already cleaned my water room earlier today. The way that my brain works is if I'm in a room and I feel like it's dirty, I clean it. So that was already clean. The floor needs mopped, but we ain't mopping it today. When I'm able to move out all of my daughter's stuff out of the bathtub, then I'll clean out the bathtub, but it won't be in this video because it probably will not be until tomorrow or the next day, because Thursday is the day that everything has to be done, and this video needs to be uploaded by then, okay? So yeah, all right, let's move on. For those of you who are keeping journals of memories and that sort of thing, do you ever keep a journal of growth? Let me explain just a little bit. So like whatever situation you're going through right now, like maybe it's something that you feel like is a struggle, write it down. Keep note that you wrote it down. So in your mind, anytime whatever circumstance comes up and you feel like you're going to struggle with that same thing, try to react differently. Your reaction is your power. Don't let anybody get you out of pocket. I mean, it happens, right? Like sometimes we want to just flip out on somebody, but at the end of the day, you're holding the power. So instead of flipping out on someone, channel that energy into something positive. You'll definitely feel much better when you don't flip out on people, because you're like thinking to yourself, oh, I grew. And then I want you to write down the fact that you didn't flip out on somebody in your journal next to the flipping out space. You get where I'm going with this, right? Does this make sense? Being a reformed people pleaser, I used to sit at tables where I knew I was really not welcome, but I wanted to sit there just for the simple fact that they invited me. But I knew deep down inside, I don't belong here. I'm at a point in my life right now where I'm okay with not belonging at your table because I don't want to be there because it's toxic. Just remember, growth hurts. Growth isn't uncomfortable, but it's necessary. It's necessary to elevate you to the level that you should have already been on, but there was just so many naysayers and you didn't know how to quiet them. Let people talk. Let people say what they want to say. They talked about Jesus. It's okay to be misunderstood. I never accepted the fact that I was misunderstood my entire life, but now I'm okay with being misunderstood because I'm not for everyone, and neither are you. Be okay with that. Well, I don't know if I was just recording that last clip, but I did clean off the doors, with an exception of the bottom half of this door right here and then the bathroom door. How I got here was saying affirmations. Affirmations changed my life because as a people pleaser, you feel like you're not enough. You feel like you're not worthy. At least I did. Just know those emotions and feelings, they came from somewhere. The mirrors in this bathroom give me the creepy crawlies. I don't know what my kids be in here doing, and they're not even like little kids, but I'm going to clean this mirror off in their sink and then I'm gonna tell them about themselves later. Best believe that. So what you have to do is counteract those emotions, counteract those feelings, and say to yourself, I am worthy. I am enough. You got to say it with your whole being. Don't be in the mirror looking all weak like I'm worthy. I'm enough. No, I am worthy. I am enough, period. Okay. Believe it like you believe the sky is blue. Sometimes it's gray, but believe it. Okay. I say all these things in my videos to you guys because it's different things that I've gone through in my life, and I don't like to see people that have broken spirits. I'm always going to root for the underdog, and if I come across somebody with a broken spirit, I'm going to feed them with love. I'm going to feed them with kindness because that is who I am. We live in a world, I say this all the time, that is just sick, jacked up, busted, and broke, okay? We do not have to conform to this world. All right, so let's check out this refrigerator and see what it's hidden for. Here's what it looks like. You probably can't see like all of the splitter splatters because I always put these little mats down, these right here, but they're pretty dirty, so they just really need wiped off, to be honest with you. So if you don't have anyone in your corner who's rooting for you, who's cheering you on, who's supporting you, I got you. Let me know, because I'm gonna be checking in on you. I'm gonna make sure you good, because I needed somebody to do that for me when I was in my deepest dark place. And I really didn't have it. I'm going to just be completely 100 because I'm always the one doing that. So I had to feed into myself. I had to speak life into myself. And music helps too. Try not to listen to like trashy, crazy music while you're on this journey of healing. Listen to music that's going to feed your spirit. 𝐷𝐿𝐼𝐒, she's amazing. Check her out. You're priceless. You're your biggest and best investment. So do something about how you're feeling. If you're not feeling good, if you're feeling depressed, if you have really, really bad anxiety, try to do something about it. If you don't know where to begin, self-help books will bless you. On this journey, the other thing that I'm going to need for you to do is celebrate. Celebrate yourself. When you overcome a milestone, celebrate. When you decide to wake up and not flip out on somebody, celebrate. When your reactions change to the things that people say to you, celebrate. Celebrate yourself. You're worthy. You're amazing. You're definitely worth it. The refrigerator didn't take as long as I thought because, like I said, I try to get it clean as I possibly can in between grocery runs. Although I probably could take those drawers out, but I'm limited on time and I did not take any of the condiments out or anything like that, but it's clean. So let's see what I got rid of. I'm mad about this butter. My mom gave it to me last year after Thanksgiving and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna use it, and it expired, so I can't use it. I made some pumpkin bread not long ago. That's just a little bit of that left, and then all the stuff goes in the trash.
Let's rewire. I know it's a bad day, catching every teardrop. Try to tame a hurricane. Wish you didn't feel alive. But if you try to embrace rather than push away, you will find this place getting better day by day. Oh, listen to the words I say. You can take it day by day. Listen to the words I say. I know it's a bad day, catching every teardrop. Try to tame a hurricane. Wish you didn't feel alive. But if you try to embrace rather than push away, you will find this place getting better day by day. Day by day. Day by day. Day by day.
Just like the beautiful lady said in that song, you will get better day by day. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you spending this 15 minutes and 54 seconds of your life that you will never get back with me. I appreciate it for real. And if you're new, I warned you in the beginning that sometimes it's a roller coaster with me, okay? It's a roller coaster of whatever comes to mind when I speak. I've always been that way. You can ask my mom. Let's just say my family knows not to put me on speakerphone because they don't know what I'm going to say. And if I am on speakerphone, they're like, hey, you're on speakerphone, okay? So behave yourself. But for real though, I hope this is your best week. Just know your best is yet to come. God is not done with you yet. We are all a work in progress and everything is just going to get better day by day. But it just takes work. It really does. You gotta work, okay? So keep that in mind. If you want to be better, you gotta work on yourself. We can no longer blame Billy Bob Turner for our reactions because we are the ones who hold that power. We are the ones who are going to react or not react, okay? It ain't got nothing to do with what Billy Bob Turner said to us. So I just love you. I hope you guys all have an amazing week. Thank you again for being here. The end of this video is going to be some clips of us at Giant Eagle. I like to call it Eagle Giant, as well as me getting the bag and everything together for my daughter's cheer competition.
Do you feel it? Plugged in anyway, yeah, 'cause it's a maze every day. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't